it's like a family gathering every year. You come to see your friend that you saw a year ago, and that may be getting to be bigger than the music.
There's a lot of this hobnobbing goes on in the parking lot.
But they just hobnob and you meet your friend. It's like going to the birthday dinner every year at Grandma. Or the family reunion.
How did he acquire all this stuff?
What do you mean, how do you acquire it?
Where did it come from? Donations?
No, he bought it. He owns a tractor.
No, I'm talking about the bluegrass. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. We got, Reno gave him a Reno Smiley son. Don, they'll be here tomorrow. Reno Brothers had them made, them pictures of the dead and everything. Each artist. We just notify them and they'd send us what to do, and then all of this is mine. I think he owns it. And we just collected stuff. And put it up. And, you know, see, with the Hall of Fame thing, we got to have somebody that knows bluegrass. I'm 72. I hope I live to be 102, but I probably won't. So when I die, they got to do the bluegrass thing with the Hall of Fame and keep all the information and everything. I had to pick somebody that knew it, that had access. Number two, we may incorporate these two theaters into concerts to raise money every year for the Hall of Fame. For instance, Charlie Daniels is from North Carolina. We call up Charlie Daniels and say we got a North Carolina Music Hall of Fame. We want you to do a bit of a show, raise money, a great show for it. Or we call up Earl and ask them to make an appearance here. Not at the festival, you know, a separate thing for the Hall of Fame. And that's why they got John and Mike. And I got into that. If I wasn't in it, who in North Carolina, but them two would know enough about bluegrass to handle the bluegrass scene. Mm-hmm. See what I'm saying? Yeah. And so when I die, they will be available. I sort of plan ahead, if you didn't know that. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Like when I made the first festival and made that poster, there's two words on it misspelled. Deliberately, so if you made a fake or a copy, by not using that, you wouldn't have an original. Now one you can see plain, but a man found the other one today. Because I said that he stood over there for 30 minutes until he found the other mistake. And I'll stand 100 over there and they'll never find it. There's one, I'll tell you this, there's a word misspelled on it.
On which one?
That big one there. With a red letter? Yeah. All right, look at Smiley's name. Red Smiley. I deliberately left the I out of his name.
You read it in when you read it. I read it while ago.
Now there's another word on there misspelled. Now you schooled there, you met.
Huh?
But if you but there's I misspelled one of the names deliberately. And it's almost the one that you can't find. One of them misspelled.
Yeah, I see the Smiley thing.
No.
That's too easy.
It ain't misspelled, is it? No, is it? All right, I'm going to tell y'all, because you ain't going to print no fakes no way, are you?
No.
There's a fiddle player, Howley Forrester.
Yeah.
How many R's is up there?
I can't see it. Two.
There ain't
Yes.
one in his name.
One
Yeah.
name is Forrester.
I misspelled it for the R, which you'd never catch it by hand. So if it ain't got two R's, then it's not an original.
Sneaky.
So I brought that up because to say, do I look ahead? That was 35 years ago. You can't stay here. If you stuck in the mud over here and don't get out of it, you ain't going nowhere. You see what I'm saying? I work down yonder all the time.
How would we get in touch with you to with the thing on that?
I give you my address. It's Alvin my address?
Yeah.
236
56.
Hollywood Bridge.
So they'll listen to bluegrass. Most of the stuff bluegrass do, women don't understand, they don't want to hear it. Tell them you love them. Slow the song down and tell them how sweet